Hey guys, it's Yani here.
And Fabio.
And we're back with another video. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Guys, did you know we're mediums? We predict the future.
We predicted the future. We predicted the outfit.
Oh my god. I cannot.
We're psychics.
We're psychic. When I saw the outfit, because
you've seen the outfit.
I just saw, because you guys kept sending us texts.
It's okay to send us links, but the picture, we don't want to see it yet because we want to film our reaction.
So honestly, I opened the DM of one of you and I was like, oh no.
I know, me too. And I'm like, somebody sent you a picture. I thought it was a dick pic, and I'm like, oh no, yeah, no. You guys, this is probably the most messages, DMs that we've gotten in a long time.
I woke up this morning, I was like, what happened?
What's happening in the world? Like, we got a lot of requests and DMs, and we're finally here sitting down to film this video because we're so excited. I'm dying to watch this the whole day.
Honestly, I was at work all day and I was so busy and I was like, oh my god, I just want
to watch it. Like, I just want to watch it.
Yeah.
And many of you saw our prediction video that we draw the costume.
Yes. So if you haven't seen it, go back and watch it.
Yes, but many commented after all this happening, many commented that you drew it perfectly. Which I don't understand why, because all we pretty much drew the exact same thing.
We did not draw. It was the message that I transmitted. It was very different than yours.
I wonder if she had halo halo on her shoulders.
We'll see. I don't know.
I'm excited to watch this. Oh my god.
Okay, so obviously this video is about Catriona Gray national costume, Miss Universe 2018.
Oh yeah, sorry, we didn't tell you what video we're reacting to yet. So that's what we're reacting to, and that's what we're watching. I don't know. I don't want to call it reaction anymore because we're just watching it literally.
It's gonna be a reaction this
video. I don't know if this is a good quality. Somebody just sent this, and I hope it is. And after this as well, we're gonna film the top 15 or top 10 national costume competition, and we're also gonna upload that after this video, maybe or later. Because also Catriona has a new video as well. Because you know how the first one was Luzon, the first region, and then now she uploaded the second region.
I need to quit.
All the requests.
That's all. I need to quit my job. So help us get to 100,000 subscribers.
So we can quit our job. So we can.
Jeez, Louise, you've
do
been
this full time. I know.
A year.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe. And the only announcement is we have a Facebook group now, Facebook page. Go search it, or it's also linked down below. So please go subscribe.
Please help us grow as much as we can.
Click the subscribe. Click the subscribe button as well.
Here, it's so easy to click this button right here. You will be very happy.
Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
The crown. I wonder who designed the crown.
Where is...
It's Miss Philippines, Catriona. I'm here backstage getting ready for national costume competition. I am so excited for you guys to see my costume and everyone else.
Oh my god, we're so excited for you too.
Like, there are some amazing colors, silhouettes, and I hope that through this
she's so humble. Look how messy the backstage is.
I know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at it.
Wait, pause. Hold up. Every time she moves, I hear bells.
Yes, it's the hair.
It's like
that she had it.
It's like Christmas bells. Ching 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 ching
oh
jingle
bells,
jingle
beautiful costume.
It looks like there's a lot of beadings in it.
A lot. It's the hair. That's what it's.
See, I told you she's gonna wear some ponytail or some tight
You're right.
bun.
You're right. In something, you were right. I love.
Fuck you.
You cannot say that. I'm loving the blue color and the neck, the way the neck is, and I love this hair piece that goes from yellow, red, white, and blue. So she's representing
the LGBT community as well. I love it. Oh my god, I am scared. Let's play. She's waiting for.
Oh my god.
Wait, so this happens backstage like this?
I think so.
So they just. I know how the fashion show works, like they line up, but I guess like...
Yani, look how many things they have on. It's an hour process to get ready at least.
But how is she not nervous? She's just like, hey guys, so I'm here backstage, I'm waiting for my turn.
I don't know, is
I
this
would
a
be
rehearsals
like,
maybe?
I don't think it's a rehearsals.
Oh my god.
I think this is it.
Oh wow, it's so sparkly.
Extra piece which is over there is Miss from Luzon, please turn into the show.
Did you hear the explanation?
Yeah.
So the jewelry, so I told you the three
Handmade.
regions from the Philippines, right? So the jewelry are from my region, the Mindanao.
Oh,
which
where's
is
my
more
jewelry
tribal.
then? Why did you bring any?
So she represented all three regions is in her costume.
So my costume was right. My prediction, because I said that she was representing everything.
Yeah.
Merging together, becoming one costume and then a star. on top.
Okay, yeah, okay, it's fine.
The star I didn't see though. Where's the star?
Watch everyone and see the whole
This is the extra
look.
piece.
See there.
What she said.
Oh my.
Oh wow!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
Wow.
She
It
looks
is very
tribal.
Yeah. I love that she's not showing skin.
Any skin.
She's like long sleeves, beautiful. Okay, go.
Oh my god, there's a lot of things going on in her outfit.
Yeah.
But she still looks sexy.
Mhm.
She's still showing
Of
figure.
course.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see.
Oh, what is that? Pause one second. Is she wearing a balut here in front of the?
So that is the extra piece.
Oh my god, is it a spinning? Is she gonna roll off stage like this?
Probably.
Like a
But she looks
spinning
like
wheel?
that. You know the woman on the, in the circus, on the wheel.
Yeah,
and then they throw a knife
knives.
on her. But
Oh
wait,
my god, this is remind me of my painting for real with the scales. Well, they're not really scales.
but they're just patterns, right?
Oh my god.
But look at, is she gonna carry the wheels or are they gonna remove the wheels?
She's not gonna carry the wheels, I think.
But that looks beautiful. I wonder how heavy that
I
is.
wish it was a bit brighter, like brighter, because those
This
are
lights
dark.
up. This lights up.
Is it gonna light
And
up?
people told me that she wasn't allowed to light it up on stage.
And she did.
She didn't.
Oh, she did.
She wasn't allowed by the committee.
Why?
She wasn't allowed by the committee. I know, it's so sad. And let's keep watching. Can you stop talking? Oh my god, here she goes. Wait, is it rehearsal?
It is rehearsals. Look, that's why she was a bit calmer.
I think the competition is early. Is gonna go later too.
She must have been very sad to not be able to light it up.
Oh my god, I know.
Oh my god, is she?
But our prediction was right that she's gonna be electric. Like she's gonna require electricity because she's gonna light up.
Wow.
Oh, there she is. Look at the stage. This is Peru. Oh, that's her getting ready.
Oh!
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness.
National costume is called Celebrate, Fight, Enrich, because it
Oh, she's going with the wheels.
So there's wheels because I think it's heavy for her to just carry it.
It seems extremely heavy. She's very strong.
Oh. Oh my gosh, she
Oh
looks so
my.
beautiful.
The gold details around it. It's like a sun. A star and a sun at the same time.
She looks like she's having fun though. Yes, girl. Yes,
Is this
queen.
dance move? Traditional moves?
Yeah, some of it. Yes, queen. Yes.
It's gorgeous.
I love it. I live for the hands. I live for the hands.
You want us to learn the choreography, guys?
If you want us to learn the choreography, comment down below. I live. But my only comment is, don't hate me for this, guys. That's my observation. It's just hard for her to walk. She can't
It is.
catwalk. But I guess it's the cons.
you
one of
know-
the cons.
Yes, because you know what? She's putting the people before her.
What do you mean?
I mean, she's putting the Filipino culture before her catwalk. She's like,
That's true.
I'd
I
rather
guess, yeah.
represent
Yeah.
than catwalk.
But it's good. She looks good though.
She looks
I like her
great.
mini performance in the end with all the hand
Yeah.
gestures and everything.
I really want. Oh!
Oh my god, there's a reveal!
Reveal. Oh, so you still nailed it even if you couldn't light it
Oh,
up.
these are all the paintings. Like,
Wow.
so this is like our
There's the flag in the middle.
yeah, there's a flag.
What is this? All these symbols around.
I think I see like one of the native Filipinos. These are natives. Some monuments.
There's the flag.
The flag. There are monuments. I see the Mayon volcano.
So what is all these signs around? Zodiac sign?
Monuments. I told you. This is the building.
No, these yellow things.
Oh, that I don't know. I don't know. That's not Filipino language. We don't have that symbolism. But I don't know. Somebody asked in the comment if there's any symbolism. But I don't know.
That's beautiful.
I wonder. It's probably not pure gold, is it? It's just probably.
Of course, it's
painted.
not pure gold. Come
The,
on.
the edges looks beautiful.
We see a church that is pure
Let's
gold.
see here. Oh my god, look at the reveal.
Oh.
She's gorgeous. There's another shot. Yes, queen.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
She looks like she's voguing. Yes. Did you hear that? Yes.
I learned it already.
I
Done.
love this. I love this.
Look. Wow.
She's voguing. Oh, so that's the boots.
Oh wow, the boots are beautiful.
I feel like when Beyonce sees the boots, she's gonna steal that for her concert. That is beautiful.
Those boots are beautiful. I wonder how heavy they are.
Is everything beaded? It looks like the entire thing is beaded.
Yeah.
That's the pattern. Oh my god, I'm so happy for her. I'm so proud of her.
Oh my,
yes,
look at this shot.
queen! Yes, queen! Oh
I
my
wonder
god.
if there's seashells on the costume or not.
Oh, maybe.
Probably.
Look at this poor girl over here.
What is she representing?
What is she representing? What is she wearing? Yes, queen!
Wow.
You better serve, queen.
Well, definitely we're gonna look more into it.
If you guys have the link where the costume lights up, we would love to see it.
Please,
Would love
because
to see
I'm
it.
sure it's a spectacular piece of art. It
We would love
already
to.
is, but
Yeah,
with
I
lights,
know.
it must be something
Yeah.
on another level.
I think she looks amazing.
Now, I'm so curious to see other costumes because I already saw there's someone else with a big
I heard
piece. No, because I saw it in the interview.
one of our viewers said like Miss Philippines Catriona Gray is beautiful, we support her, but Miss Brazil has the best national costume
Oh,
apparently.
I'm curious to see.
Yeah, it's probably all feathers, it's probably all carnival and everything, knowing Brazil. But oh my gosh, I'm so proud of her.
Very proud.
The moment she walked out, I see the smile on her face. She looked like she was just having fun. She was just like
You know, the only thing
like very gay, like she looked like that.
The only thing I wish is that she could remove those wheels.
I think it's too heavy. If there's no
I know.
wheels. She needs support.
I know she needs support, but I wish there was a way to make it like part
of her body.
no, like with straps maybe or something.
It's heavy. She's
I
gonna
know.
break her back.
Well, it's Miss Universe. It's a competition. You break your back.
No, this is
No, I'm
not
kidding.
even the final evening yet. I do want to break her back already.
Of course, I'm kidding. But
Are you sabotaging Philippines? Are you an imposter?
are you trying to get a clickbait?
Yes.
So no,
Bob, you're
it's
sabotaging.
so beautiful. And honestly, guys, I'm so shocked of how close our look was.
I know.
Well,
It was.
we both put
Our
skirts, but
No,
so she's
yeah.
not wearing skirts.
Ours were stars.
Yeah, I was debating between a star and a sun when it was drawing it.
So yeah, I'm so curious how it looks like when it lights up. This is
Wow, that's beautiful. But the people, see, she has it in the back. I put it on the
Yeah.
skirt.
That's true.
Interesting, right?
Yeah, but without the back piece, she looks amazing already.
Oh, she does.
But it's just a nice touch to have the back piece.
a
For everybody
very
to see
sober touch.
her. It's for
like-
everybody to see her.
She's like, I'm not gonna go too much for this costume. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
put a huge ass.
It's probably so bright that when she lights it up, everybody from the moon will see it from the earth. That's amazing. Oh my god, you guys! So we're gonna end this video and we're gonna watch the top 15 and next part 2 of her video explanation for the costume or the competition.
Yeah.
So we're excited to do that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for
Stay
watching.
tuned.
Yes.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time, like in 5 minutes.
Yes. Let's change our shirt.
No.
Let's change our
Can't be bothered.
Bye guys.